Artificial intelligence is a branch of computer science. It focuses on building smart machines. These machines can perform tasks that usually require human intelligence. Think of it as teaching a computer how to think, learn, solve problems in a way that mimics the human mind. AI is not a single technology. It is a broad field with many different approaches. The main goal is to create systems that can operate intelligently and autonomously. This matters because AI has the power to reshape our world. Simple daily chores, complex global challenges, making our lives more efficient and connected in countless ways. The core idea of AI is not new. People have dreamed of intelligent machines for centuries. Today, that dream is becoming a reality. The power of modern computers and the massive amounts of data now available have fueled a revolution in AI. This is why you hear about it so much today. It is no longer just a concept in science fiction movies. To understand how AI learns, let us use a simple, everyday example. Imagine you want to teach a computer to sort your digital photos into two folders: cats, dogs. You would start by giving the AI a huge collection of pictures that you have already labeled. This is called the training data. You would show it thousands of images of cats, each one clearly marked as cat. Then, you would do the same with thousands of images of dogs, each one marked as dog. This process provides the AI with a vast library of examples to study and from which to draw its conclusions. During this training phase, the AI system meticulously analyzes every single pixel in every image. It is not seeing a cat the way a human does. Instead, it is looking for mathematical patterns. It might notice that images labeled cat often have pixels arranged in patterns that correspond to pointed ears, long whiskers, certain eye shapes. For dog images, it might find different patterns related to floppy ears, longer snouts, various body shapes. It builds a complex statistical model based on these recurring features, essentially creating a mathematical definition of what constitutes a cat versus a dog. After studying all the training data, the learning process is tested. You give the AI a brand new picture it has never seen before, one that you have not labeled. It calculates a probability score. You are likely using artificial intelligence much more often than you realize. It is already deeply woven into your daily digital life. One obvious example is the voice assistant on your smartphone or smart speaker. Hey Siri, okay Google, Alexa. This uses natural language processing, converting sound waves into text, then analyzing that text to understand your intent. Asking a question, giving a command, telling a joke. It then chooses the best response or action. Another example is recommendation engines. Watched a video on YouTube? Watched a movie on Netflix? The platform immediately suggests other content you might like. It is not random. It is a powerful AI algorithm. It analyzes your viewing history, your likes and dislikes, how long you watch certain types of content, and compares that data with millions of other users. It finds users with similar tastes, recommends what they enjoyed, keeping you engaged and helping you discover new content. The benefits of artificial intelligence are immense and are already making a positive impact on our world. One of the greatest advantages is its ability to automate repetitive and time-consuming tasks, freeing up human workers to focus on more creative and strategic challenges. In an office setting, AI can sort emails, schedule meetings, analyze large spreadsheets in seconds. In medicine, it can analyze thousands of medical images, X-rays, MRIs to help doctors spot signs of disease earlier and more accurately than the human eye alone. This efficiency not only saves time and money, but can also lead to life-saving breakthroughs. Beyond simple automation, AI serves as a powerful tool for personalization and assistance. The recommendation engines we use for music, movies, are just the beginning. AI can create personalized learning plans for students, helping them focus on subjects where they need the most help. It can provide real-time language translation, breaking down communication barriers across the globe. For people with disabilities, AI-powered tools can read text aloud, describe the visual world, provide new ways to interact with technology, fostering greater independence and inclusion in society. AI helps make complex systems and vast amounts of information more accessible and useful to everyone. However, we must also approach AI with a clear understanding of its risks and limitations. In summary, artificial intelligence is fundamentally a tool that enables machines to perform tasks that traditionally required human thought and reasoning. It operates not by magic, but through complex mathematics and code learning from vast amounts of data to recognize patterns and make predictions. The voice assistants that answer our questions, the recommendation systems that curate our entertainment, and the image recognition software that organizes our digital memories. These applications demonstrate how AI can serve as a powerful assistant, simplifying our lives and augmenting our own abilities in remarkable ways. The responsible development and deployment of this technology require a balanced perspective. On one hand, AI offers enormous potential for good. It can accelerate scientific discovery, improve healthcare outcomes, create more efficient industries, and provide personalized assistance on a massive scale. Its ability to process information at a speed and scale far beyond human capacity is a benefit we are only beginning to harness. We should be excited and optimistic about the positive changes that AI can bring to nearly every aspect of human life, from the mundane to the monumental. At the same time, we must proceed with caution and awareness. The risks of bias, error, and privacy infringement are real and demand our attention.